Now let's see sentence.
7 days in a week. I like school. Daddy helps me. Leaves are green. Mummy cooks well. I have a teddy bear. I drink milk 24 hours a day. I always think good. I like study. India is my country. I love Daddy. On Saturday, Mummy hugs me. I drink fruit juice. I go walking. Respect all elders. I am a super kid. I am a winner. Eat all the vegetables. Eat banana daily. Thank God every day. I love Mommy.
Now let's see currency of the world.
Leda Nigeria. Kuna Croatia. Supi India. Here Brazil. Bath Thailand. Lila Turkey. Ruble Russia. Yuan Japan. Euro. New dollar Taiwan. Dollar real. Dollar Zimbabwe. Dong Vietnam. Greek Mongolia. Pound UK. Rand South Africa. Colon Costa Rica. Peso Cuba. New dollar Taiwan. Yuan China. Franc Switzerland.
Thank you all for being with us till the end of this video. In addition to stimulation material and unique methodology, we also provide 3 years of knowledge support through our counseling sessions, workshops, online meetups and ANA sessions. These sessions are conducted by highly qualified professionals in the field of early child development with years of experience behind. We have covered more than 50 topics on parenting till now, and to quote a few: emotional intelligence, socializing skills, creativity, sibling rivalry, food and nutrition, vaccination, fine motor skills, gross motor skills, communication skills, storytelling, self-portrait, gadget addiction, toilet training and many more. So dear parents, why wait? Claim your slot for a 45-minute free counseling session, online or offline, and decide how you want to proceed further. Call us, WhatsApp us, message us, email us, or do whatever required. Fix your slot with us for your free session. All the very best and happy parenting.